Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you a drill that'll help improve your hand rolls. It goes like this. Let's break it down. First, you're going to begin in your ready stance. And from there, you're going to perform a double hand roll with your right hand. So, hand roll, reverse hand roll. Coming out of the reverse hand roll, you're going to perform a side strike and end with a behind the back switch. Then you're going to repeat that process on your left hand. So, hand roll, reverse hand roll, side strike, back switch. You're going to do that one more time with your right hand. Then, from the back switch position, you're going to perform an around the neck with your left hand. Around the neck, catch it in the armpit, perform a simple up. It goes like this. Not like that. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, train hard.